1 minute of candle 90 point breakout happen. In this chart, whenever a breakout happen, you will get calls like a signal. Today it's Wednesday market, March 13. During this time, after 11 o'clock we can say, during this time a sell call generated, so red candle open. Whenever the trend changes, whenever the candle breakout happen, you will immediately get the calls like a signal. Right now the sell call, so red color candle open. That open point is the entry point. That straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. The entry point is nothing, that straight white line is the entry point, 47,471. The first target is more than a 100 point target. It's almost 120 point first target. Second target is more than a 200 point target. Right now you are watching the video now. On daily basis you are going to watch this chart. You will get the entries, calls. Through this you can do the intraday trading. Likewise, today this call generated in first candle itself, in first 1 minute itself, a 90 point breakout happened, and in 20 minutes of trading, after 20 minutes of sell call generated, it break out the first target range. Like this, today call generated and break out the first target, and market continues downside direction only. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.